I am now a qualified. I'm so excited, man. Qualified forklift.
Well done. Congratulations.
I'm Martin Asante, a Ghanaian, but I'm now living in United Kingdom, to be precise, Leeds, Biston. When I go to Leeds or UK, I was looking out for a training center, to be precise, a forklift instructor, to become a forklift instructor. And a friend of mine introduced me to Birmingham, that there is a center over there which they are doing good. And when I reached Birmingham, I was so impressed. And I went straight to the training center. And when I got there, for the first time, I saw the structures, the forklift machines. Many people were there learning. And honestly speaking, I was feeling shy. But when I met the manager or the director, he sat me down and talked to me. So humble man, so respectful man, and I was so impressed. And he introduced me to the instructor, who is called Shaukat. When I met Shaukat, come and see Shaukat. You don't know the man I'm talking about. The instructor. I've never seen such a person before. So humble, respectful. He handled me carefully. He advised me, encouraged me, and took me there. The first time Shaukat showed me, he told me, Martin, you can do it. You can do it. I challenge you. Even today, I will train you and you will move. That's true. You said what said? I said you will do it. Then we started the training. By the time for the first day, we closed the meeting. I was able to move out, in and out. But now I can tell you, 4KS Training Center is a place to be. Don't go anywhere. Never. Don't make a mistake. If you are looking for a forklift training center, certified, excellent, go to Birmingham. Go to Birmingham and you will go and meet them there. Now, Martin, I am also a qualified forklift operator. I thank God and I thank the management of this great institution. God bless you, Shaukat. God bless you, manager. Thank you so much. That is Martin for you.